everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last couple of videos, I tried to show you how to create a data store using manually from the website. From here, you can see create button, OCLI, and the last one was Python SDK Vision 2. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create data store via Azure DevOps pipelines. So let's dive into this process. Yeah, it was looked out, but yeah. So this is the pipelines. So I'm just continue with this pipeline. As you can see here, I started with the resource group, workspace, storage account, container, and now I will add the data store. So the data store I will add from here, Azure CLI. This could be create data store, and for the connection has to be the same as in all of these Azure CLI has to be the same. This connection. Now PowerShell as the previous one, inline, and here I already showed you, for instance, this how to create the data store with CLI commands. And now I will just copy this command and let's paste it here. Okay, and you can see here this Azure file data store, and this file, as I said, it's already in the repo. For instance, what I'm using here is a classification. You can see here classification repo. But let's go to the repo, classification repo, and be sure, double check if the data is already there. If the YAML files, for instance, data store is already here. So this one here. Okay, so go back to the data store, and this resource group, this is one, this is the right source group, or we can use the command line, this one here, the parameter. So I have defined in the beginning parameters variables here. You can see here container name, location, resource group, and etc. For that, I will just add resource group here, and the workspace should be the same workspace. Yeah, this one. Let me just add $sign, this one here. Now let's just double check this command. So this is the Azure EasyML and data store create, and it will take the parameters from this file and create these parameters. This the name and etc. in resource group, then in a workspace. Let me double check the workspace. Okay, so as you can see here, the key is missing. So what I can do, I need to update this key here. But let me just go to the getting this key here. It's the storage account, the storage this one, global storage CI03. I need the uh, account key. So this is the needed access keys. Now I will copy this and I will just update it here. It's in the develop branch. It's not a good practice to update the develop or master branch. these branches has to be, let's see, protected. So I will just add, oops, did I copy? Copy. Now you can see, commit. Then back to the pipeline. This will take the, as I said, they will parse the YAML file from here. As you can see here, the name will be data fruits. If you want, we can change it. Let me just double check if we have fruits. There is no data store with this name. Then I will just keep it like this. So I'm just would like to be quite sure that this process will be successfully, I mean, this data store was successfully created. Okay, and you can see here the type is Azure Plub account, storage account, this one, this name, and container name, this one. I mean, most of these, I mean, all the information already discussed in the previous videos. So I will just save and queue the pipeline, but because the pipeline it's not running because I'm using the no. As you can see here, the pipeline is I mean pool. Let's see. Let's just me show you this pool. This agent pool, and this default is created in my PC. So I need to just run this via this command run. Just type run and type and press tab to complete. Now we will see. So it's now it will check the capabilities, yes, and now starting to listen for any job from the Azure DevOps pipelines. Now you can see it's starting to process our pipeline. Now let me check. Yes, it's starting to install the machine learning extension. Okay, but because this will take, let's see, a few minutes, I'll try to pause and we'll be back to you. And once I have issues, I will of course try to show you how to solve this issue. Okay, as you can see here, it's already created successfully. But let's just check the workspace if it's already created the data store. Yeah, this one here. This was the name and the data store YAML file. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.